What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to be taking a look at the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the cosmic orange, maybe one of the most controversial colors for the 17 series lineup this year for Apple, but Apple doesn't typically give a lot of crazy standout vibrant colors for the Pro model, so between the silver, the blue, and the cosmic orange, I had to go with the color that stood out the most to me, and that is this cosmic orange. So we're going to go ahead and unbox it. This might be your first look. It might be an additional look. Either way, I appreciate you stopping by the channel to take a look. All right, so we're going to go ahead and do the coveted green straps at the bottom. All right, so I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange, 512. All right, everybody loves pulling those off. All right, let's see if we can get this open here. All right, there we go. This thing is mighty orange. Awesome, I'm loving that. All right, so you got the 48 megapixel Fusion camera system up there, and then you've got the two-tone on the back, kind of the window look, if you will, is what people are calling it there. But we've got our orange into the two-tone. That looks really nice. Go ahead and take it out. All right, we've got our little protective covering here. I'll leave that on for a second, but we'll just take a look at the sides. All right, we'll examine this thing. First touch so far, this thing is really smooth on the side. And it's most likely with them going with aluminum this year. This feels really good to the touch. All right, and then we've got our ports on the bottom. So that is iPhone 17 Pro Max in cosmic orange. All right, now we'll set this here, let you guys see the back. We'll set it here, take a look what's in the box, and then we'll go ahead and pull that plastic off there. So here's our cable. All right, Apple has over the years gotten significantly cheaper, if you will, in terms of what they put in the box, the size of the box. So all we're gonna have is that USB-C cable. They do have a charger, an additional charging cable, back that you can get for this to help with the fast charging. I did pick that up. Here it is. If you guys want to take a look, you can get the 40 watt dynamic power adapter with 60 watt max. So paired with this, you're going to get that fast charging. Now, I don't know why they couldn't just put this in the box. I get it. But if you want fast charging, you can. You're going to be able to get MagSafe as well with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. So if MagSafe is the way to go, you'll be good there. If you don't really care too much about fast charging, any other additional blocks or cables that you have should do just fine. We'll pull this out. Literally don't know why they give us this. I don't think there's anything here. It just says iPhone, and you no longer need a physical SIM card. I'm getting mine through carrier, so I have to do all that setup with my provider, and that's about it. Nothing else in this box. That is all we are getting from Apple this year. So set all this stuff to the side, and then we'll go ahead and do that coveted screen pull. Now, I'm definitely going to be putting a screen protector on my iPhone, but if you don't want to do that, they do say that they've got the new ceramic on here that should protect your phone a little bit better than it has in the past. So if you don't like screen protectors, you've got a little bit more protection on your phone this year. But I have a little bit of an active lifestyle. I have kids. I'm going to be putting the screen protector on, as well as some cases too, just to keep this thing safe. But here it is. Let's power it on and see if we can get the classic Apple logo. There we go. All powered up and ready to go. And so the new iPhone 17 series should be shipped with iOS 26. Just going to give you that liquid glass and that new user face and some AI features and all that good stuff on here. Maybe we'll talk a little bit about that on the channel. All right, y'all. So there you have it. This is the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the cosmic orange. Really loving the two-tone. Excited to see this thing with some cases and accessories. But let me know in the comment section below, are you getting anything from the iPhone 17 series? Maybe the regular iPhone, the new Air. They have the Pro model and also the Pro Max that I have here. Let me know. I'm a fan of the orange, but maybe you're a fan of the silver or the deep blue. Either way, I think iPhone has got a really nice device this year. But I appreciate you guys sticking to the end of this video. If you found the video helpful or enjoyed it, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Much appreciated. If you want to see more tech-related content, more lifestyle content over on this channel, go ahead and subscribe and be a part of the community that we have already. But that's it for me, guys. Like always, be blessed. I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.